Hi everyone, hopefully you're doing well. I am Erica from Digitizing.com.
After many requests, today we'll share details about Ricoma RCM-1501PT single-head specialty embroidery machine.
But before we start, if you need embroidery digitizing, vector art services, or even digital marketing solutions, check out Digitizing.com. Services start at just $5 with fast delivery, free edits, and secure payment options. Common problems and troubleshooting: Ricoma RCM-1501PT single-head specialty embroidery machine. Introduction: welcome to Digitizing.com. If you own a Ricoma RCM-1501PT single-head specialty embroidery machine, you may occasionally face some issues. In this video, we will discuss common problems and how to fix them quickly. Let's get started. 1. Thread breaks frequently. One of the most common issues is thread breakage. This can happen due to several reasons. Incorrect thread tension. Check the tension settings. If the tension is too tight, the thread may break. Poor quality thread. Use high quality embroidery thread to prevent breakage. Damaged needle. If the needle is bent or dull, replace it with a new one. Incorrect threading. Ensure the thread is correctly routed through all tension guides in the needle. Solution: adjust the thread tension according to the machine manual. Use a fresh, high quality thread. Change the needle if it's damaged. Rethread the machine carefully. 2. Bobbin thread not catching. If the bobbin thread is not catching, the machine won't sew properly. Possible causes: incorrect bobbin placement. Make sure the bobbin is inserted correctly. Dirty bobbin case. Lint buildup can prevent the thread from catching. Timing issue: if the needle and bobbin timing are off, the thread won't catch. Solution: reinsert the bobbin properly and ensure the thread is running in the right direction. Clean the bobbin case with a brush to remove lint. If the issue continues, a technician may need to adjust the machine's timing. 3. Machine skipping stitches. Skipped stitches can ruin embroidery designs. Here's why it happens. Bent or dull needle. Replace the needle with a new one. Wrong needle type. Use the correct needle type for your fabric. Improper thread. Tension. Adjust the tension to the correct settings. Solution: change the needle and ensure it's inserted correctly. Select the right needle for your fabric type. Adjust tension settings as needed. 4. Machine not moving or stuck. Sometimes the embroidery machine stops moving unexpectedly. Possible causes: hoop is too tight. If the hoop is too tight, the machine may struggle to move. Software error: restart the machine and reload the design. Motor overload: the machine may stop due to overuse. Solution: loosen the hoop slightly to allow free movement. Turn the machine off and back on to reset it.
Allow the machine to cool down before resuming work.
5. Thread nesting under fabric. If a bunch of thread gathers under the fabric, it's called bird nesting. Possible causes: bobbin tension too loose. Tighten the bobbin case tension slightly. Thread not pulled through properly. Ensure the top thread is fully inserted into the tension discs. Dirty bobbin area. Clean out dust and lint from the bobbin case. Solution: adjust the bobbin tension carefully.
Rethread the machine properly.
Clean the bobbin area regularly. Conclusion: these are some common problems and troubleshooting tips for the Ricoma RCM-1501PT. Regular maintenance and proper threading can prevent most of these issues. If you still face problems, consult the user manual or contact a professional technician. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and visit Digitizing.com for more embroidery tips and solutions. Happy embroidering! If embroidery digitizing is on your mind, trust Digitizing.com to deliver accuracy. Digitizing.com offers the best online custom embroidery, digitizing, and vector art services. We provide high-quality work at the lowest prices with quick turnaround. We can convert any logo, design, image, or artwork into your required file format. Pay easily with PayPal or a credit debit card. If you need our services at a discounted price, please feel free to contact support@digitizing.com or visit the website, digitizing.com. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video.